Hi everybody, welcome. It is day 25 of our 6th annual Treasure Trovember, our mixed media collage challenge, where we add one item a day to a single collage for 30 days. If you just found this video and don't know what the heck Trovember is, I will link to our welcome video below that explains the whole challenge. It's really easy to catch up or to do this on your own at any time. There's also a Trovember playlist with all of the prompts in order. So we are all the way to day 25. And the prompt today is to add something that beeps. Something that beeps. Add that to your collage today for day 25. And then come back here tomorrow for day 26.